Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the bullets ready. Charge them to a minimum of 20% so the reset completes without power loss, and turn Bluetooth off on nearby devices to avoid accidental reconnection. Power the earphones off with a firm press for 3 to 5 seconds, then immediately enter pairing mode by holding power and volume down together until the LED flashes blue. Once done, the headset is receptive for factory reset commands and isolated from previous paired devices, which prevents conflicts. Now you perform the actual reset. If you have the OnePlus app open, select the Bullet Z2, go into Device Settings, and choose Factory Reset, confirming when prompted. That's the simplest path. Otherwise, use the hardware method. Hold power and volume up together for 8 to 10 seconds until the LED changes to rapid white flashes. This indicates the reset started. After that, wait patiently for 30 to 45 seconds so the internal settings are erased and default firmware configures itself. Finish by rebooting and repairing. Turn Bluetooth back on, power the bullets on, and select them from your phone's available devices. You should hear a prompt confirming pairing. If pairing fails or the reset didn't take, make sure the battery is at least 50% and repeat the hardware reset sequence, allowing a full minute after LED changes. If the LED never responds or the headset remains unresponsive, contact OnePlus support for firmware recovery. This often resolves hardware or firmware faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.